Yes, in previous video, some students are getting confusion in the fifth question solution. That the fifth question is, if the polynomial x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k, the remainder comes out to be x plus a. Find k and a. This is the question. Right? You take that given polynomial p of x is equals to x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10, and it is divided by one more polynomial, that is g of x. You take g of x is equals to x square minus 2x plus k. By dividing this p of x by g of x, we will get the remainder, that is r of x is equals to x plus a. Then k comma a is equals to question mark. Right? Okay, you write like this: x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 divided by x square minus 2x plus k. Okay. Yes, in the dividend x raised to 4 is there, in the divisor x square is there. To get x raised to 4, you have to multiply with x square here. Right? X square into x square is x raised to 4, minus into plus minus 2x into x square is 2x cube, plus into plus plus k into x square is kx square. Okay. Yes, you change the sign, it becomes a minus, it becomes plus, it becomes minus. These two get cancelled. Minus 6x cube plus 2x cube, in the sense minus 4x cube. Okay. And plus 16x square minus kx square, you have to write as it is. Plus 16x square minus kx square. You take down these two, minus 25x and plus 10. Plus 10. Right? And then this is the what dividend, this is the divisor. In the dividend, minus 4x cube is there. In the divisor, x square is there. Okay. Yes, you take minus 4x here. Minus 4x into x square is minus 4x cube, like this. And then minus into minus, it becomes a plus. 2x into 4x, in the sense 2 4 is 8, x into x, x square, plus into minus minus, 4x into k, 4x into k. Right? You write as it is. Then change the sign, these two get cancelled. Here 16x square, 8x square, 16x square minus 8x square, in the sense 8x square. This is minus kx square. Right? You have to write 16 minus 8, in the sense 8. X square, take it outside. 8 minus k into x square. Right? X square, it is the common term I taken outside here. 16 minus 8, that is a 8. This is minus k I kept as it is. Right? Okay, like this. And then plus minus 25 you take in the bracket, minus 25 plus 4k into x. Here also x is there, here also x is there. X, it is the common term I taken outside here, plus 10 I kept as it is. Right? Okay, see here, this is 8 minus k into x square plus minus 25 plus k into x plus 10. This is the dividend, this one it is the divisor. Okay, in the dividend what we need to get? 8 minus k into x square, isn't it? Here x square is there, only we have to multiply with this x square, 8 minus k plus 8 minus k. Okay, yes, 8 minus k into x square is 8 minus k into x square, 8 minus k into x square, and then minus into plus minus 2, you keep it as it is, into 8 minus k, 8 minus k into this x, right? Same, minus 2 I kept as it is, this 8 minus k I kept as it is in the bracket, and into this x. Okay, and then plus into plus it is k into 8 minus k, k into 8 minus k, like this. Okay, you change the sign, it becomes a minus, it becomes plus, it becomes minus, right? These two get cancelled. Okay, this is minus 25 plus 4k into x is there, this is minus 2 into 8, in the sense it becomes a minus 16, right? Okay, here I changed the sign, plus is there, therefore plus into plus it becomes a plus, 2 8 is a 16 into x, 16x plus 16x minus 25x, in the sense you have to write as it is, minus 25x plus 16x. Okay, and then this is plus 4kx, and this is plus into minus, minus 2kx, minus plus into minus, minus 2 into k, 2k into x is 2kx, right? And then you write here k into minus into plus minus, minus into minus it becomes a plus, k into k it is k square, minus into plus minus, 8 into k is 8k. I will keep this plus 10 as it is, right? Plus 10. Okay, yes, and then minus 25x plus 16x, in the sense minus 9x, plus 4kx minus 2kx, in the sense plus 2kx. Okay, yes, and then plus k square minus 8k plus 10. See, yes, you make two groups, this is 8k. Okay, make two groups, this one it is a first group and this is the second group, this is x plus a, this is what our remainder. Okay, yes, already he has given on remainder here, r of x is equals to x plus a, right? You have to compare this remainder with the given remainder r of x. Okay, I am comparing, first group I will compare it to the what, x, and second group I will compare it to the a, right? Minus 9x plus 2kx is equals to x. Okay, this one it is first one, first group it is, and second group is k square minus 8k plus 10 is equals to what, a. Okay na? Yes, here in these two terms, x it is common term, take it outside, x take it outside, minus 9 plus 2k keep in the bracket equals to x, this x get cancelled, minus 9 plus 2k is equals to 1, right? Okay, 2k is equals to this minus 9 you take into this side, that gets positive, 1 plus 9. Okay, 2k is equals to 10, k is equal to 1 ja, 2 5 ja, right? K is equals to what, 5. This is the required value of k, and then you have to take this value of k and put it in the place of k, you have to simplify it, you will get the value of a, right? Therefore put k is equals to 5. Yes, 5 square minus 8 into 5 plus 10 equals to what, a. 5 square in the sense 25, and minus into plus minus here, 8 5 is 40, and this is 10 equals to a. 25 plus 10 is 35 minus 40 is equals to a, right? Minus 40 plus 35 in the sense minus 5 is equals to what? A. Means a is equals to what? Minus 5. Yes, like this we found the values of k and a. Okay. Yes, in the next class I will start the new chapter, that is pair of linear equations in two variables.